So with Debian, you will go to monetize your medical and informatic data. So note that. So the big idea is there is a whole concept around KYC, personal information and data that those who are the custodians of this data, hospitals, pharmaceutical companies or whatsoever, are profiting a lot from this. And there are also data implications. You've heard the stories of people's data being hacked and the rest of them. So what is the objective of this Debio network? Is to democratize direct to consumer genetics and biomedical testing, empower lab of all sizes. So irrespective of the size you are, you will be able to get access to data and anonymous first and at home biomedical testing. So for users like us, and then in privacy computing marketplace. So this is the architecture. I won't go into explaining it. It involves payments, users, and the rest of them. So there is a token in the network. It's called the token model. So there are two tokens. There is a stable coin for the system, because if you are bringing people to the network, you don't want to deal with volatility and the rest of them. Then there's a network for reward for any kind of activity that the person does that is contributive to the network. And then there is the governance token that is used for genomics, lab and marketplace, and lab fees, and part of product sales. And then there is this token for validator incentives, LP rewards. So the Debio Network has partnership with the Appchain data marketplace, which is based on Ethereum and the rest. It will use Kit protocol for KYC stuff, which Kit is all about. So there are three kinds of tokens. Sorry, there is data one token. So one of the things you understand is that the Appchain protocol enable you to create data tokens. So we have genomics, which will be given to use procedures of data products. Data two tokens, which is EMR given to hospital records, and the other token. So there is this privacy computing marketplace. I won't want to go into this for now. And then the economic flywheel analysis, every single person involved will have users, developers, tech providers, testing providers, validators, of which I've talked a little bit about, and the data consumers. So the users are the ones that own the data, the developers, they're actually the ones that provide the text, and the tech providers. So the developers, it's up to the guys, tech providers, probably they are the guys that are involved with producing hardware stuff. Testing providers, it could be labs and the rest of them. We have validators ensuring the integrity of the network. There is the bridge for the marketplace, and then there are all other information. So how would the platform make money? You've crypto enthusiasts, hospitals, patients, health enthusiasts, privacy focused people. And then there's a 5% fee, as you can see there. So this is the market potential, is in the billions of dollars, and this is the potential revenue. So if a company like this is making this revenue, like this progress. So this is the token distribution, and then this is a potential roadmap where they are heading in the near future. So you want to support them. So okay, this is the website. You can get a lot of information. There is a white. We'll do a more detailed video later. This is just an introduction. We'll do more thorough video, use cases, decentralized genomics, and electronic medical record, biomedical testing, and you can see the different awards you've been given. So thank you very much for listening.